Today's video is about my entire Hermès collection, so let's go. Hi guys, I hope you're fine. I'm very happy to be back on this YouTube channel, and today's video is a video that you mostly asked. This is my entire Hermès collection so far in 2022. And I'm very happy. I hope guys I can add some few new items before the end of 2022, but if not, this is my entire Hermès collection so far. So let's get into it. If you don't know me yet, my name is Margot, alias margavalux. I'm 27 years old. I live in Barcelona, but I'm French. Sorry in advance for my accents. Be nice in the comment, and if you have anything to ask, anything to say, do not hesitate to put this in the comment section. I'd be very happy to reply. For everything I'm gonna show you like right now, I'm gonna put every links in description below the video. Please go see it. I'm gonna put every Hermès links, and if I don't find it on Hermès, I'm gonna put like a second-hand websites and so on. But anyway, I'm gonna find you like good price, good things. You're gonna love it. So please go in the description below after the video. Well, anyway, let's go. Don't hesitate to go see my Instagram account if you wanted to also, and let's get into my Hermès collection right now. I'm gonna start with this little baby pile. This is like my Christmas tree, but Hermès Christmas tree. This is small, but I love it. This is already very, very good. Okay, I'm gonna start with the order, what I got from. This is something I don't have anymore. This was a ring from Hermès. This is a Lima ring. I'm supposed to still have it, but I lost it. This was my first Hermès gift. This was a gift from my parents for my 18th birthday, but unfortunately I lost it, and I'm very sad because I love this ring. I need to buy it again. I lost it like a few years ago, unfortunately, and I really love this ring, so I think I'm gonna buy it again. This is a Lima ring. This one is gorgeous, so I really need to buy it again. Okay, the second gift I received from Hermès was this little baby. I'm gonna show you right now. For who knows, you know what is inside. So, this is a twilly, like a twilly from Hermès. This is a kind of small silk scarf. This is really cute. I'm gonna show you. This is orange and pink, so this is like really, really nice colors. This is not big. This is a twilly, so you can put it like in your hair. You can put it also around your waist, around the bag, around the neck. You can do lots of things actually with the twilly. I already told you, but this is a really, really nice gift ideas. I received this from friends, like for my 22nd birthday. I don't remember exactly which birthday, but this one is really good, and the price is not that expensive. I'm gonna link everything in the description below. And I really like the twilly actually. This is really, really cute. You have so many different colors. This is insane. So this was my second Hermès item I received. So mostly about my Hermès journey is like small gift I received or big thing I bought. That's all. But yeah, I'm gonna show you next what I received. Oh, okay. Then I received, I think it was this. I remember from the box. So, no, it was not this one. Okay, so it was this one actually. Okay, so this was this one. Yes, now it was. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is a bracelet, as you can see. This is the Kelly Double Tour bracelet. This is an amazing one. I know this is very small because I think it's a size 2 because I wear size 2 for bracelets. I'm gonna find this. Yeah, this is size 2. It's written just here, taille de, size 2. So this is a very, very, very cute one. From Hermès, this is the one I prefer the most, like at Hermès bracelet, this ones. I really love it. I would love to have another one with a different color. This one is, I would say, aubergine, like kind of between violet and red, and silver hardware. So this is a very, very nice one. This was a gift for my 23rd birthday from my boyfriend. So I really love it, actually. I'm very happy he bought this to me. It was actually our first birthday together, so I was very happy he offered me this because it's a very, very good choice. Okay, I'm gonna go for another one. So another one I got was, I don't remember exactly. Yes, I think it was this one. No, I'm gonna show you. It was this one. This is the Hermès ring. This one is chaîne d'encre, I believe. This one, I bought it because I lost the Lima ring from my parents. So I bought a chaîne d'encre again on second hand, and I lost it again. Yes, I lost 2 Hermès ring. I'm such a nightmare with jewelry. This is insane. I'm such a nightmare, and I don't know why I continue losing things. Like, this is really insane how I lose things all the time. I don't know if it happens only to me, but I really lose all the time things. But I bought it again, and now so I have it. And oof, my fingers are like very fluffy today. Well, as you can see, and I really love this one. It's a really, really, really nice ring to have. And this one, I don't wear it like all day and all night because you can feel it. This is actually kind of heavy on the ring and it's moving. So I don't wear this one every single day. But I really like how it does on the ring, the style it makes. I know this one was seen everywhere, but I don't know, I still like this one. But I know I want to buy back the Lima ring because the Lima ring is very chic, effortless chic, and very classical. So yeah, so this one, I bought this to myself. Okay, another one, I'm gonna go for, I'm gonna show you these ones. So I have lots of small boxes. I wish I could have more big boxes actually, but maybe later. Okay, so these ones are from Hermès too, of course. And up, I'm gonna show you, you know exactly what it is. It's shoes, and these are Oran sandals. I really love the Oran sandals because they're like very cute. And I don't know, they make like a small cute feet. Like, to the contrary to the Chypre sandal, I don't really like the Chypre sandal because I tried them, I'm very short, I'm very small. And I don't know, it makes like a very big fit. It's like Birkenstock. My Birkenstock, for example, I only put them like for home inside. So I don't know, I would not buy Chypre for putting this only home. So yeah, I don't really like the Chypre sandals. So this is the Oran sandals. These ones are color gold. I bought them in Saint-Tropez, actually in Saint-Tropez store, because at first I was looking for the Christian Dior sneaker, but the shop was full of people at Christian Dior in Saint-Tropez, and it was like, okay, I'm not gonna wait. And the sneakers were like almost 900 euros, so it was pretty insane about the price. And these ones were less, and in leather. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go and buy the Oran because it's been like a while. I wanted to buy the Oran. So I went there, I asked for size 37 and buy them. So it was really nice. I was very lucky actually to have my size and the color I wanted because it was summer. So usually in summer you have nothing left, but this time it was because COVID was here. So maybe like there was like not much tourists in Saint-Tropez and I was able to get them. So I'm very happy. The only thing about these ones are I added like a sole under the shoe because it's very sleepy. Like you can sleep there, like you can sleep a lot and you can fall with these ones if you don't put something else here on the sole. So I added something, I'm gonna link in the description what I bought and where I bought it, but this is very useful. You just stick under the sole and that's it. This is super easy to make. You can also ask Hermès to do it or someone else like a shoe specialist to do it for you. But yeah, I went to the easy way. I just bought online like some sole to add on it, and that's all. I was not a good student. But now they are kind of too small for me. Since I'm living in Barcelona, it's way hotter here. The weather is more wet, it's more humid, and yeah, they don't really fit anymore on the side. So they are not comfortable anymore to me. So I don't know what to do actually because I don't wear them a lot. I don't necessarily want to sell them because I really love them actually. So I don't know because the other ones I'm going to show you after are a different size and they are way better for me now. So I don't know. I might need to sell them to buy them again, but in a bigger size. I don't know because now these ones feel not very comfortable. I don't know why, but I don't wear a lot of shoes here. And so my feet hurt like very quickly. I don't know if it's the same for you guys, but since COVID arrived, we were never outside. So I don't know, my feet just don't have habits again to wear shoes. But yeah, it's hurting a bit my feet, so I don't know what to do with them. I think I'm gonna tell me in the comments what to do. I think I'm gonna sell them and buy them in the bigger size. Or I think I might try the Espadrille Famosa. I wanted also to try them. I don't know if they're good. If you have the Espadrille Famosa from Hermès, tell me if they are very good, if they are comfy or not, because I'm really looking for comfy shoes for summer. I don't want like trendy shoes. I don't care. I just want like comfy shoes for summer. So please let me know in the comments if you have any brand that are cool with sandals but are very, very, very comfortable and nice too, of course. Okay, I'm gonna go for another item I received. I think it was this one. I'm gonna show you. Yes, I'm sure, actually. So I'm gonna show you what it is. And this is a bracelet from Hermès again. And this is a bracelet I received for Christmas from my boyfriend. So last Christmas, he bought me this very cute bracelet. We told each other no Christmas gift this year, but in the end, I bought him like kind of similar bracelet and he bought me the same, so you know. Okay, so this one is a silver hardware, and this is, you can wear it like different face. This face is orange and this one is gold, so this is actually really nice. This is a double tour also. I don't remember the name of this bracelet. I'm gonna find it online anyway, but this is actually very cute, and actually I really like this one because this is very chic, very thin. The leather on this one is more sensitive. This is not the same as the Kelly one. This is way more sensitive, so be careful if you buy this one. This is I think not that expensive, but this is a very thin leather, so be careful. It's not the same as the Kelly. Okay, then I'm gonna go for a next gift I received. I think it was, yes, it was a gift I received. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, it's this one. It's empty because I'm wearing it here. This is an Hermès ring, and this is the ring Collier de Chien, I believe. And this is the ring I received for the Pax with my boyfriend. The Pax is not engagement, but it's before engagement. This is something in France. I don't think it exists in USA or in UK. It's something very French, actually, the Pax. So this is kind of an engagement ring, but not really. But yeah, I'm very happy because I can wear this one every single day because I don't feel it. It's very light, and I really love it because it's very thin, it's very chic, and yes, I really like this one. I'm very happy because I was able to choose. We went to Hermès in Barcelona, and yeah, I was able to choose, well, with what they had in store, with the size, and you know. But in the end, yeah, I was able to choose what I wanted, and they did not have the size I was supposed to have, so they ordered it, and I just received the ring like a few days later. So it was actually nice. The essay in Barcelona are very nice, so I'm very happy. My essay is just so nice. I really like her, and yes, she's a girl, and I really like her actually. She's so cute, and I don't know, we get along very well. And for me, this is important because like this is a kind of a relationship. It's always like this, and I believe that if you feel someone well, they will do, and you need to be nice with someone, and they will be nice to you. And this is a relationship, and I always work with my feelings. Always, like if I don't feel someone, I'm not gonna go to this person. If I feel someone, I'm gonna go to this person. This is very important to me. So yeah, this is always what I'm saying. Okay, we're gonna go for this other gift. Actually, no, I'm gonna go for this one. So this one is empty too because I'm wearing it like every single day. This is a necklace. I'm gonna show you right now from Hermès too, of course. And this one is, I don't remember the name, collier de chien also too, no? Or chaîne d'encre. I think no, it's a necklace chaîne d'encre, pendentif. I'm gonna show you like more closely here. And this necklace, I got it from my boyfriend too for my birthday. So I'm very happy because this is very class and chic, and this was like on my wish list forever. So I'm very happy. He's so nice to me, and I also do make very good gifts to him. Don't say anything about this, but I do also very good gifts. Usually we make like almost same gift balance. This is very important to me that if he gives me like a nice one, I'm gonna gift him also a nice one. Like this year I offered him like a wine cellar, a big wine cellar. It's like the size of a fridge, and I kind of regret buying this because it's gonna be in the kitchen like very huge. But he loves wine. Well, we are French, obviously. He loves wine and he has a lot. So, and we had friends now in Barcelona who loves wine. So it's gonna be good actually to have a wine cellar. Okay, well, anyway. Then I had this also. It was from my boyfriend for my birthday too. He bought me a lot of stuff for boyfriend for Christmas and birthday. So this is really, he knows me well. And I'm gonna show you. These are the Oran sandals again. These ones are 37.5. I hesitate between the 37 and 37.5, but in the end I choose a 37.5, and I'm very happy because here, I don't know, the weather is very wet, humid, and yeah, my feet are like a bit bad. Anyway, so yeah, I prefer these ones. Concerning the size, they're way more comfortable, but still, I don't know. My feet is not very comfy inside. I don't know, because the leather is a bit hard. I don't know, like, I'm very happy about them because they make like a very cute fit, but I cannot wear them like for 2 hours in the street. This is impossible. After my feet are like dead. So no, this is not possible. But maybe later, because I need to make them. I did not wear them like so much so far. So, but I really love them. So I don't know. I don't know if it's the same for you guys, because lots of people told me they are very comfy. They are comfy, but I don't know. I can't wear them like a lot. And the best for the last part, this is the last one I got, and this is a bag. And you already saw this video. This is the unboxing part. I'm gonna unbox again with you guys. I got it from me to me for my birthday. So my last birthday, it was for my 27th birthday. And I'm so happy because I was looking for this baby for so long. And I'm gonna show you now, if you did not see my unboxing video. This is the mini Evelyne, and this is the Togo leather, and this is the very small size, as you can see, and this is a blue pail with silver hardware. I really love this bag. This is a very cute one. I don't love the Evelynes usually, but the mini one, once I saw it once in store, I was like, oh, I want it. This is a very cute bag, I want it. So the strap is color gray, so, or nata or gray? I think it's nata actually. So the strap is nata color, and this is not that great because it can be like color transferred a lot. So I pay very good attention to this strap. I think I'm gonna buy another strap, and also what I do is I put my twilly on the bag. Like, let me show you, my A7 told me to do this instead also. So, I'm gonna show you right now. This is actually a very good idea, guys. So I wanted to show you. So I'm not gonna do like this very properly. You can do this better than me. I'm gonna do it like very quickly in order that you see how it goes and how it is. You can also buy another strap from Hermès, but right now they don't have a lot of things, and they don't have like very summer color, so not worth it. Okay, so this is how it looks with the twilly, and actually this is very nice. I love it. If you want to wear it like with a longer scarf skills, you need to buy the bigger ones, but with the twilly it's already so cute, and the color actually fits very well on this one, so I'm kind of very happy. You can also twist the twilly, or you can attach 2 different twilly actually. This is also possible. So this is really something I like to do with my twilly on summer also. And yeah, I'm very happy. This was all for my Hermès collection. This is already like kind of nice, and I really hope to have another big news very soon for another Hermès like thing, a design, another Hermès item. I really hope I will be able to make you an unboxing, guys, very soon. Like, cross finger with me, please. Pray in the comments with me, because I really want to have it. Well, for my budget, it's not that good, I have to admit, because it's kind of super expensive, and I will have probably to sell a bag, because if I buy something, I will probably need to sell something too. But yeah, I'm very happy, and thank you for watching this video till the end. Tell me in the comments what you think, what you have in your Hermès collection. I'd be very happy to know what you like, what you don't like, what you would like to have. And yeah, if you have any questions to me, I will be very happy to reply in the comment section, or in Instagram directly if you want. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna put you 2 other videos right here, right now, so stay connected. And yeah, bisous, bye.